Billy, let's talk about emergency comms. And I know you're cooking a lot of stuff over there. You want to give us an example of a program that you'd like to highlight here?
Yeah, thanks, Luke. Interestingly, as everyone else was talking, I was sort of thinking through specifically where is CISA in that, and we've not made the determination that we need a private 5G to support industry to support our agency's operations. However, we are using and seeing the deployment of standalone 5G across the nation, supporting critical infrastructure owner operators in the community to
Right on.
highlight the importance of security in backwards compatibility and fallback technology segments. And, but as we are thinking about, what some of the future is going to hold in 5G for opportunities for the department, it's very similar to the expeditionary environment that the Department of War consistently works in. There's some similar application, although we wouldn't call it the same thing, but coverage challenges and certainly challenges to infrastructure in the event of disruptive or destructive weather, cause a similar sort of an expeditionary environment for critical infrastructure owner operators across the nation, and particularly for public safety and emergency preparedness officials who are trying to protect property, trying to help life safety issues for people that are in crisis. So the opportunities to have the ability to take some kind of 5G capabilities into that expeditionary environment to allow for what I'm sort of calling public safety command and control, is critical. Data is king. Video is king. Your use of drones is almost now a requirement in every form of emergency management to help not only manage tactical operations on scene, but also to manage resource application, because, the state and local, certainly communities, they're not blessed with an overabundant budget. They cannot go into deficit, so they have to play with what they have. And, so having the advantage to have the ability to see and use video to help in that decision-making process, means that the advances that 5G and that 6G will be bringing, certainly, as I mentioned, nation-state adversary earlier, the opportunity for sensing to be able to see where there may be use of UASs in an adversarial role is going to be critical to try and speed up, security for all of our critical infrastructures.